Hi, this is Darren. Something a little bit different today. I'm going to show you how to change the rollers on a sliding fly screen door. This isn't a particularly difficult task, but some people might think it looks difficult and might shy away from it as a result. So here's a quick overview of the process. The first thing, of course, is to lift the door up out of its track and lift it forward from the base, pulling it towards you at the base, and then scoop the top out behind it. Of course, I'm doing this one-handed while holding the camera, so this will be a tad difficult, but lift and pull towards you. And if I show you the top, you can see the top has come out now. Here, now we can just pull the top away. If you're unable to lift the door up, that means that there's not enough spring left in these rollers. That can easily be adjusted with these screws. If you turn this screw anti-clockwise, it retracts the unit back into the door and gives you more room for lifting it up and out. These same screws are used for tensioning the door after it's been refitted. There's 4 of them with this door, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Now sometimes these door wheel cassettes just pull straight out, but as you can see, this one here has been riveted in place. So I'm just going to drill the head off the rivet so as I can pull it out, and then we'll replace the unit. Okay, now we take the new wheel and we place the new wheel into the door, ensuring that this screw here faces the inside of the door part that would be on the inside of the building. Again, this is the screw that tensions this, so we can adjust it for a tight fit later in the door frame. So here's our hole, here's our screw, they line up nicely, voila. Now if I want to, I can replace these. Putting the door back in place is just the reverse of the removal process. Putting the top in first and then lifting it up into the frame and putting the bottom down onto the glide rail. Now come around to the inside of the door and check that the latch lines up with the lock. If it doesn't, you can adjust the height of the door using the screws at the bottom to tension the wheels. Turn the screw clockwise to raise the door or anti-clockwise to lower it. And remember, you have to do the screws on both sides of the door to balance the door, by which I mean keep the door level.